Before we begin, please hit the subscribe button for more updates and upcoming videos. AirPods are automatically on and ready to use when removed from their case, which is used to charge them. The AirPods do not have a separate power button, and cannot be turned off while out of the case. Some are deceived by the off feature in iPhone AirPods settings, as follow. On your iPhone, go to Settings to Bluetooth to your AirPods. Click the I next to it. Find double tap on AirPods, and select off. This feature actually turns off the AirPod double tap feature, and does not turn off your AirPods when you are not using them. At the moment, there is no way to turn off your AirPods, even if you disable your Bluetooth. The AirPods do not have a separate power button, and cannot be turned off while out of the case. To turn off and charge the AirPods, place them back in the case. However, the easiest way to disconnect your AirPods from your iOS device is to swipe up on your home screen, and toggle off and on the Bluetooth button. This will disconnect your AirPods immediately. If you have found a way to turn off the Apple AirPods, please leave a comment below to let us know.